Imagine standing at the pinnacle of your career, having achieved your greatest professional accomplishment. Now imagine if you had a roadmap to get there. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of professional greatness. We all have our unique definitions of success, but the common thread that binds us is the desire for growth, achievement, and the satisfaction that comes from a job well done. It's easy to think that professional greatness is all about luck, connections, or being in the right place at the right time. But what if I told you it's more than that? It's about embracing a process, a journey that we'll explore together in this video. We'll unveil the tools, techniques, and mindset shifts that can propel you towards your greatest professional accomplishment. The path to professional greatness is not a secret, it's a process. Ready to discover it? Have you ever wondered what the most successful professionals have in common? It's not just talent or luck, it's goal setting. In the world of professional accomplishments, goal setting is like a GPS, guiding you towards your destination. It provides a clear path, breaks down your journey into manageable steps, and keeps you motivated when the going gets tough. Take the example of a renowned scientist. Their goal wasn't just to make a discovery, it was specific, to discover a new element or to solve a particular scientific riddle. Or consider a celebrated athlete. Their goal wasn't simply to win, it was precise, to win the gold medal in their event or to beat a world record. The magic of goal setting lies in its specificity and realism. It's about setting clear, achievable targets that align with your ambitions and abilities. So, what's your goal? Remember, setting clear, achievable goals is the first step on your journey to professional greatness. Hard work is important, but it's not the only ingredient for professional success. Let's take a step back and consider the bigger picture. Picture a painter tirelessly working to perfect a single brushstroke, yet without understanding the grand design of the painting, the brushstroke alone cannot create a masterpiece. This scenario applies to our professional lives as well. Hard work is like that brushstroke, it's crucial, but without the grand design, continuous learning, networking, and maintaining a positive attitude, it falls short. Imagine a professional who constantly updates her skills, builds meaningful relationships, and maintains a winning attitude. Even if she encounters obstacles, she's poised to overcome them and achieve greatness. Consider Steve Jobs, who didn't just work hard but constantly innovated, networked, and stayed optimistic even in the face of failure. Or Oprah Winfrey, who used her positive attitude and network to rise above numerous challenges. Remember, hard work gets you in the game, but it's a combination of factors that lead to the greatest professional accomplishments. Embarking on this journey towards your greatest professional accomplishment isn't just about the destination, it's a voyage of discovery, of self-improvement, and of personal and professional growth. Consider the skills you'll develop along the way. Maybe you'll learn to be a better communicator, a more strategic thinker, or a more effective leader. These skills won't just help you reach your goal, they'll make you a more valuable asset in any professional setting. Then there's your network. As you work towards your goal, you'll meet and collaborate with a diverse range of people. These connections can open doors and present opportunities you never even imagined. And let's not forget about confidence. Each step you take towards your goal, each challenge you overcome will make you stronger and more self-assured. Lastly, this journey is a chance for personal growth. You'll learn about your strengths, your weaknesses, and your true potential. The journey towards your greatest professional accomplishment is a journey of personal and professional growth. Now that you have the roadmap, it's time to start your journey. Remember the key points we've covered today: setting your goals, continuous learning, networking, and maintaining a positive attitude. These are not just words, but a powerful recipe for success. Set your goals with clarity and conviction, and let them be your guiding star. Engage in continuous learning, for it is the tool that will hone your skills and keep you on the cutting edge of your field. Network, because your connections can open doors and opportunities. And lastly, maintain a positive attitude, because your outlook determines your outcome. Your action plan is simple. Start today, start now. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment or the perfect opportunity. You create it. Your greatest professional accomplishment is within your reach. Start your journey today, and remember, the path to professional greatness is a process, not a secret.